Less than 2 months after a Queen Anne's woman died in a head-on collision with a trash truck on the Eastern Shore, her family is raising money for her 3-year-old son's medical bills.
WMAR 2 News' Jeff Hager has more on the challenges he faces in his long road to recovery. Jeff?
Kelly, Colton Bonner survived the crash that claimed his mother's life, but he still faces a series of surgeries with no insurance to pick up the costs, prompting a fundraiser today at what might be viewed as an unlikely venue. It's July 11, or Namesake Day, for 7-Elevens across the country. But in addition to a free Slurpee at this store on Mountain Road, able-bodied children are enjoying a moon bounce to raise money for 3-year-old Colton Bonner, who survived the same head-on crash that killed his mother back in May on the Eastern Shore.
When we first found out, it was just horrific. You know, we couldn't even take it in.
Colton's aunt, Kristen McKee, manages the 7-Eleven, and it was her idea to raise money for her injured nephew.
Every day, as I know, he still relives the accident over and over, and he still misses his mom every day. He has thousands of dollars worth of bills, and even the trash truck that hit him, they don't even have enough money to pay for his bills.
McKee says Brittany Plummer worked for Anne Arundel Medical Center and had health care insurance to cover Colton, but it terminated that coverage shortly after her death. That leaves Colton's father, Brandon Bonner, struggling to help the young boy regain his life while dealing with the loss of his fiancée.
It's hard because, he really hasn't had a chance to really grieve the loss of Brittany, and it's just a really sad and hard situation.
A situation made even more difficult since, as a member of the Queen Anne Hillsborough Volunteer Fire Company, Brandon was the first responder to arrive on the scene of the crash. Now the same man who once planned for his upcoming wedding is tending to a young son who is blind in one eye and awaits brain and femur surgeries. And that's just his physical injuries.
It's difficult. He now understands that Mommy is not coming back. I mean, I don't wish it on any 3-year-old.
If you'd like to help out Colton, the benefit runs through 7 o'clock tonight at the 7-Eleven in the 4700 block of Mountain Road in Pasadena.
All right, thanks, Jeff. There is a GoFundMe campaign to help pay for Colton's medical costs. So far, they've raised more than $42,000, but the goal is $50,000. If you'd like to help, if you'd like to contribute, we've posted a link to it on our website, WMAR2news.com.